Hello friends, welcome to Food Street. Today I'll be making my version of the Chipotle Steak Bowl. This recipe is incredibly delicious and so easy to make and is a family favorite in my home. I'm starting off by marinating about 1.5 pounds of beef steak, which I've cut into thin strips. You can also use chicken. For the marinade, I'm using 1/3 cup of lime juice, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, half a teaspoon salt, or according to your taste, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, and half a teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. I'm going to mix everything together and make sure all the beef strips are coated with the marinade. Now I'll cover the bowl and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes in the fridge or overnight. While my steak is marinating, I'm going to cut up my vegetables. I like to use a variety of colored peppers. You can use any peppers, like red, orange, green, or yellow. I'm going to thinly slice some red and yellow peppers. I'm also slicing 1 medium-sized onion. Our steak has been marinating for about 30 minutes and now it's time to cook it. I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet on medium-high heat. And add the marinated steak strips to the skillet. Cook until your desired doneness is reached. I'm cooking my steak for about 5 minutes on each side. In the same skillet, I'm going to add the sliced peppers and onions and stir fry them for a few minutes. You want to keep the vegetables crispy and cook them until they get just a little charred. Once the veggies are done, I'm going to add the steak back to the skillet and mix the peppers and steak together. I'm going to let this cook for about a minute or so and then turn off the heat. I love adding fresh guacamole to my steak bowl, and to make that, I'm going to cut an avocado in half and remove the pit. I'm going to scoop out the flesh into a bowl and then mash it with a fork. To this I'll add fresh lemon or lime juice and some salt and pepper to taste. Now I'll add diced tomatoes, diced red onions, and chopped cilantro. Mix this all together and your guacamole is ready. And now it's time to assemble our bowl. I'm going to start off by adding some cilantro lime rice to my bowl. I've linked the recipe for the rice in the description box down below. Now I'll add the steak and vegetables and some guacamole. I'm going to add some corn and a simple tomato salsa and top it off with some sour cream. And there you have it! Our mouth-watering Chipotle-style steak bowl is ready. Please give this recipe a try. It's so flavorful and easy to make, and you will definitely love it. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, Allah Hafiz!